Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a roasted garlic vegan mashed potato recipe for you. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're gonna start with 1 head of garlic. What we're gonna do is we're gonna slice it in half to expose all of the bulbs within the head. After it's sliced, we're going to top it with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, but of course you can use your oil of choice. If you prefer avocado oil or canola oil, they will work just the same. Preferably something with a medium smoke point will be best. Okay, so next you want to wrap the garlic tightly in aluminum foil and place it in an oven that has already been preheated at 350 degrees for in between 10 and 12 minutes or until fragrant. Okay, my favorite part, the potatoes. So we're going to get started by peeling the potatoes. You can choose to leave the skins on the potatoes for some additional nutrients and texture, but here in this recipe, we're going to go ahead and peel them. Next, we're going to slice the potatoes. What we want to make sure of is that they're evenly sliced so that they cook evenly while we're boiling them. Now you want to boil the potatoes for 20 to 25 minutes until tender. To the drained potatoes, I want to add the roasted garlic that we prepared earlier, as well as salt and pepper, and 2 tablespoons of vegan butter. This one that I'm using here is actually made from coconuts. After all the ingredients are added, it's time to go ahead and begin to mash. Now, you have some choices here. You can choose to make whipped potatoes by using a handheld mixer, or smashed potatoes by just using the back of a wooden spoon, but I like mashed potatoes because of the mix of the texture, so I use a potato masher here. Next, you want to add plant-based milk of your choice. Here I'm using almond milk, but I think also coconut milk would be delicious here. It's whatever you have on hand, and you want to add it and re-season as you see fit. So if you like a thicker mashed potatoes, use less milk. If you like a thinner, more whipped texture, use more milk and a little bit more elbow grease. One quick thing I wanted to add here is this video is a part of a 3-video series here on my channel. The first video being our balsamic glazed Brussels sprouts from last week, these roasted garlic mashed potatoes, and I'm adding a bonus video of maple glazed butternut squash. Be sure to tune in to my fall sides, and all of them are ready in less than 30 minutes. Okay, so here's our finished product. The full recipe with the measurements is in the description box. Feel free to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.